Shadow was a cloud computing system developed by French startup Blade. It was self-described as a powerful computer you can access by distance, and was intended to give users access to the best computers available in the market remotely. The service was initially successful and appeared at the same time as Google Stadia. However, the company faced several issues, including delays and material problems, which ultimately led to its failure.
The first job to be done that a cloud gaming project could perform is providing users with high-quality, lag-free gaming experiences on devices with low processing powers or storage capacity. This will allow users to play the latest and the most demanding games on devices that might not be able to handle them, such as older computer or low-end smartphones, and without servers connection bugs or internet issues. Another job to be done is offering users access to a large library of games without the need of expensive hardware or downloads. This will make easier and more convenient for users to discover and play a wide range of games and could help to reduce the barrier of entry for gaming in general. A third potential job to be done could be providing users a cross-platform gaming experiences. This could allow users to resume where they left on any devices and also could enable multiplayer gaming between users on different devices or operating systems.
As for the motivation in buying the product of Shadow, it is possible that someone may want to purchase the Shadow computer because it allows the user to access powerful computers remotely and it has been used for gaming. Additionally, the company's services were intended to give users access to the best computers available in the market, which may have been a factor in some users' decision to purchase a Shadow computer. It is also possible that some customers wanted to be at the top of the technological breakthrough promised by Shadow as tech lovers. However, the outcomes were quite different from the expectations. If you paid the minimum subscription offer from Shadow, your computer was not able to run most of the competitive games you wanted to play. Moreover, a single package loss of internet connection would result in the shutting down of your system, even if you had the required specs, which is obviously painful if you've had to stay online or attend a meeting. Lastly, the delays and material issues of providing Shadows to all the customers led some customers to wait from 6 months after being allocated a Shadow cloud computer, even though they paid for 6 months already.
VR Quest 3, formerly called Oculus Quest, is created by the group Meta and will be released at the end of 2023. With a better processor, twice more powerful than the VR Quest 2, it will be able to stream a 4K screen and power up to 10 cameras. The main competitors, HTC, Sony and Microsoft, develop and sell virtual reality headsets and accessories, and they also create and distribute VR content. Other companies that are involved in the industry are Google, Samsung, etc. The next VR Quest model will include new and improved features such as higher resolution displays and more powerful processors, and possibly even additional sensors for enhanced tracking and immersion.
The primary job to be done for the Meta VR Quest 3 headset would be to provide users with an improved, immersive and realistic virtual reality experience, and which would be better tolerated by the users. This could involve creating a better VR environment, as well as providing users with intuitive controls and feedback mechanisms that allow them to interact with the virtual world in a natural way. Then another potential job to be done for this virtual reality headset could be to offer users a wide range of content and experiences to choose from, including games, educational and training simulation, in order to reach a wider target. And finally, a third potential job to be done for this VR headset could be to offer a compact and affordable version for daily use. This could also involve providing users with an easy-to-use setup and connectivity options that allow them to quickly and easily get started with VR.
I will present you the circumstances and motivation before hiring the project. The Meta Quest 3 comes out in a context where the 2 had been a hit and where the interest of consumers for virtual reality products is growing. The motivation for purchase the Meta Quest 3 can be a price that will normally be affordable between $300 and $500, the same functionalities as the Quest 2 with some difference in terms of material, design and functionality, a partnership with Shang Technology to produce helmets with OLED screen, which will make it more compact and affordable, a processor that will be meta-specific for the next headset, features to be able to use Facebook Messenger and call friends at the same time as the game, a variant of the Oculus with larger storage, the appearance of a major game in their version GTA exclusively on the new Oculus 3, haptic gloves dedicated to the new console to increase the user experience and which would allow user a real touch feeling and to finish more games.